Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Puffin Global token. Now the Puffin Global token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today on a very big central exchange. Ticker symbol is Puffin. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, ticker symbol Puffin. So this token just got listed today, November 17th, 12 o'clock UTC time, on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Puffin, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, Puffin, a project which aims to pioneer the development of a cutting-edge Web3 and Metaverse platform, is coming to Mexc Global. So this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. They have 1,559 holders so far. 18 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 100 million Puffin tokens. So they have a Twitter that I'm going to put up on the screen right here that has over 30,700 Twitter followers. And as you can see on their Twitter, they have a link to their Telegram, which is at Puffin_global, and their webpage, puffinglobal.com. Their most recent tweet here is talking about their Mexc Global listing, so you can find that announcement on there as well. They have the blue verified checkmark on Twitter, almost 50 tweets. At Puffin Global is their Twitter. It says, our main vision is to build a Web3 and Metaverse platform. So yeah, check out their Twitter there. Now their Telegram has almost 60,000 members on it. 59,290 Telegram members. 1,120 of them online. So check out that. Looks like they might even have, they have 2 different Telegrams. So that one at Puffin_global is the community one, but they also have a news channel at Puffin Global. You could follow that one as well. So 2 different Telegrams. They have a full white paper that you could find on their webpage, puffinglobal.com. On their webpage, you could also find a LinkedIn, a Facebook, frequently asked questions, roadmap, tokenomics, all sorts of information on there. So the Puffin Global White Paper outlines the development and implementation of Puffin, an innovative token built on the Binance Smart Chain with a strong emphasis on Web3 and the Metaverse platform. Puffin aims to revolutionize digital ecosystems by fostering a secure, efficient, and community-driven network. In the digital landscape, Puffin emerges as a dynamic token on the Binance Smart Chain, fostering a vision deeply embedded in the realms of Web3 and Metaverse. Now, they have 18 decimal places on this token. They have the contract address on this white paper, their BSC scan, ticker symbol, token supply, all that stuff's on here. It says their vision and mission, with a firm commitment to revolutionize digital interactions, Puffin endeavors to pioneer a seamless integration of blockchain technology into the metaverse, fostering innovation, accessibility, and transparency for all users and stakeholders. So Puffin's ecosystem is designed to offer a versatile platform for diverse applications and services, enabling users to engage in a variety of activities within the metaverse, ranging from immersive gaming experiences to decentralized finance and beyond. So the token allocation metrics here, so how the token is distributed, 10% of the tokens will be burnt, 30% of the tokens go to team and advisors, 20% go to ecosystem and development, 20% staking, 20% community and partnerships. Now, their roadmap is 3 different phases, starting with phase 1, which is making the white paper, smart contract development, community growth, airdrops, central exchange listings. So that's kind of where we're at now, is this Mexc global listing. Phase 2 is going to be their NFT collection launch. So some Puffin NFTs. Then more partnerships will be announced. And then an NFT holder airdrop. So I guess if you acquire an NFT, you'll be eligible for these airdrops. Phase 3, the last phase, more roadmap coming soon. So they're going to update the roadmap. And yeah, it's a good idea to follow their socials and things like that to stay up to date with new announcements, listings, partnerships, etc. So collaborations and partnerships play a pivotal role in expanding Puffin's reach and impact. Active engagement with the community fosters inclusivity, ensuring a participation environment that encourages feedback, innovation, and growth. So Puffin prioritizes the security and transparency of its operations, implementing robust protocols and practices to safeguard the interests and assets of its users. A commitment to maintaining a transparent and accountable ecosystem remains at the forefront of Puffin's ethos. So it has a little bit of team information, the names of the people, doesn't have pictures, just job titles, who they are basically. No pictures though. They have a Discord group that you could join as well. So in summary, Puffin's journey is driven by a vision to establish a transformative digital landscape with a focus on Web3 and Metaverse. Puffin strives to create an ecosystem that empowers users, promotes innovation, and fosters a collaborative and secure environment for the future of digital interaction. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about Puffin? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially the Mexc global one where this token just got listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.